Very good evening, friends. I'm Nannakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. It was a huge gap up from 24,030 to 24,396. Almost 360 points gap up. There, it opened here and the first 5-minute candle. Let me go there. First 5-minute candle closed at the 24,552. There, it was an history. The market did not retrace to any first 5-minute candle at any point of time. Even around 12:35, the low that was an opportunity. 671 to 690 was an opportunity for the people to re-enter into the market who have missed the trade. So finally, the market closed around 24,924. The maiden high of 24,935 and closed around 924. So a huge rally. So it was expected, actually, we had anticipated for this move. Instead of that, war came in between to push the market down lower. So instead of going down 23,500, 900, instead of trading lower, it gapped up. It is a big money. Huge manipulation. No technical analysis can match. So only big money has played into the market with in front of the big money. So technical analysis fails. What we need to do is we need to be in the present moment. And if you would have taken trade or in the first 5-minute candle breakout, you can see here, I'll zoom it out. This is the first 5-minute candle high. It is a breakout. If you would have taken this trade, you could have made money. You could have made money if you would have entered around 24,561. The reason many people might not have done, later it was a consolidation through the time till after 9:55 it went horizontal up to 12:30, and then market picked up to next level of up move. If you measure the move, this was 345 points and it is short of 345 points. Probably tomorrow it may try to move there, try to move upwards. The next level, based on the India VIX, I've calculated the levels. 25,164 as the daily high and 24,684 as the daily low. These are the boundaries. These are the two boundaries for tomorrow, and upper boundary is 25,561. So we are very much near if it crosses this, we'll be making new high in the market. Here, the weekly low is 24,293. Anything can happen. Actually, it has moved higher. After moving higher, this is a totally imbalance. Imbalance going up to here, gapped up, huge imbalance from here. Any dip down to this level, 24,479, later it becomes a buying opportunity. Here, for tomorrow, what can happen is, these are the levels you have to note down, 25,164 and 24,684. On the hourly chart, let me remove this indicator and apply the RSI. relative strength index. On an hourly chart, it was overbought here around this area. So that's why it consolidated and it is in a range. You can see the range over in the market. So anything can happen. Any up move can be there. You can anticipate for live. So since it is in an overbought condition on an hourly chart, let us see. It has come to overbought condition in an hourly chart. So it is not wise to take position at the high. Let it go anywhere. Let the market go to the top. The previous on an hourly, the levels are 89.82 recording is there. So hourly chart, let us see in an overbought condition, there is no buy will come. Suppose if it gives dip into the market, most probably it may gap up tomorrow to this level. There we need to see when any dip is given in the market or otherwise it will become a selling opportunity in the market. Intraday selling opportunity, not selling in the market. So when it becomes an overbought condition, so around 25,164 to 25,097, you can anticipate for a reversal trade in the market. So, but coming to the Bank Nifty has also moved above this level again, but it has not crossed this level. When compared to the Nifty, there is a lot of difference between the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty. It has not crossed this level. It is still staggering around this level. So we need to see whether it is going to get resistance around 55,946. These are the levels we need to see. If we these are the levels you need to mark it on the chart. 54,875 on the support. First resistance around 55,946 and second resistance around 56,832 and second support around 53,990. So if we see the price action over here, let me zoom it out. Through the time cycle, it has expanded. This is the time cycle of 11:15. Price has moved above the 11:15 level and closed above that. Around 3 p.m., it has closed above that. So we can anticipate for an up move in the continuation of up move in the market in Bank Nifty. This one, 55,211 will act as support. Any up move, it can continue. This up move can continue. If I measure this move, measured move we can anticipate since it has made this, okay, we can anticipate for measured up move in the market, which extrapolates to the first resistance of 55,946. Okay, friends. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. Trade with caution. Be at the present, whatever may be the thing. So, being in the present saved many people. See, the only trick what you need to see is you have to apply the, let me remove this indicator, RSI. Remove. Okay. I'm applying TVAP. TVAP trend. There is one more indicator. You can utilize that. TVAP trend. See, if you apply this TVAP trend, you can see how the market has moved. Here, around 5, if I tweak it to the 3 minutes or 5 minutes, okay. Let me tweak it to 5 minutes, 5 smoothing. You can see here is first 5 minutes is breakout and the TVAP level around this level. TWAP reading is around 24,569. So keeping this as stop loss, if you would have taken the position after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, the first level 945 low, this was the support and resistance. It acted as the resistance. When price started moving above that level, time level, the market moved to next level of 24,730. After moving to 24,730, it stalled for it underwent through consolidation through time till 1225, then expanded through the time. Since it has expanded through time above, this is the 12 p.m., 12:40 p.m. low, the high, time cycle high, then this becomes the support for tomorrow, 24,840. Any dip may be a buying opportunity for you. This is the half-day time frame. So it has broken above this level. So this level, this will act as 24,814 will act as support for tomorrow. If it gaps up, there is no question. If it gaps down, it gives a buying opportunity, buy on dips market, it will be a buy on dip market. If it gaps up to that resistance, there is no trade. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.